Ever heard sneezing could kill your soul? People feared sneezing in the Middle Ages. They thought your soul could fly out. In medieval Europe, sneezing wasn't just a reflex. It was terrifying. People believed that when you sneezed, your soul could escape your body. Or worse, demons could sneak in while you were vulnerable. That's why people said, "Bless you." They were literally trying to protect your soul. It wasn't just polite. It was a spiritual emergency. Follow at Daily Trivia 1000 for more creepy history you weren't taught in school.